welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Arduino light up with using this. Well, the way we're going to do this is we're going to make the Arduino LED flash on, off, on, off, on, off. And it'll just go on and off like a bunch of times. So here I have a little packet of my Arduino LEDs. You can get any color you want, blue, white, red, any of those colors, as long as the white one that you have doesn't have 4 of these. Because if it has 4 of these, then it's an RGB and we're not going to be using that in this tutorial. So stick to the ones that have two LEDs, like this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the short side. So there's you can see there's 2 sides, the short one and the long one. We're gonna be putting the long one, and we're gonna be putting that one into 13. Let me do that quickly. And we're gonna be putting the short one into ground, which is also known as GND. Let me see if I can get that into focus. Okay, let's see if this will work. You see GND, that's ground. So you're gonna put the short side into GND and the long one into 13. And we're gonna be making this LED on, off, and turn on and off, on and off. So now we're gonna get to the code segment, and I'm gonna plug my Arduino in and we're gonna get into the code segment. Hello and welcome. And in this part, I'm going to be showing you how to code the Arduino. So we're going to be using some variables, also the serial. I'll link both of those videos down in the description just so you can see. So if you haven't watched those already, I recommend you watch them, because if you don't, you might not understand some of the stuff in this video. We're going to make a constant, which is called const. And we're going to call this LED pin equals, after that we're going to do 13, because that's where the long part of our LED went, in the 13 pin. So that's how it's going to be. And in the setup, we're going to do pin mode. If you don't know what that means, there's also my first program video, which I'm going to put in the description. So we're going to do this, then we're going to write LED pin, then we're going to do high, so it means on. We're also going to do serial dot begin, and we're going to do 9600. After that, we're going to go into the void loop, because we're going to make this go over and over again. We're going to write digital write, and then after that, we're going to write LED pin. And after that, we're going to write high. And then after that, we're going to do a delay. So this is like the time, just like it'll be on for how long do we want it to be before it goes off. We want that to be, it can be your choice. So it's in millisecond turn, or I think, milliseconds. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to write 500, which is basically 0.5 seconds. Or we could do 1,000 for 1 second. I'm doing 500 in my opinion. You can make it any number you want. You can play around with it. Then I'm going to write digital write LED pin low. And after that, we're just going to do another delay 500. And if you have any problems or any questions, put it in the comments section. I'm probably gonna reply, because I like to help people out. So that's probably what's gonna happen. So if you have any problems, just put it in the comment section. So and then after this, we can write serial dot print line, ln for short, 2 parentheses, our quotation marks. After that, we can write LED has successfully turned on, and we can write that just to make it sound like a robot. Then after this line, we can write serial dot print line. After that, we can do our quotation marks, and then we can do LED has successfully turned off. But these just so it can sound like a robot. You don't have to add these. It's just, for me, in my opinion, makes it feel cooler. We need to put our coding period here. Also need to put it here at the end of every line. We can verify our code quickly. And I need to save it. I'm just going to call this LED on off. You can name it whatever you want. And now it's running here. And it says LED pin does not have a name. And that's because we said it's just const LED pin. What we need to write is const int, just to tell the Arduino that it's a number. So we're going to do const int. Let's verify it again. And boom, we have everything correct. So I'm going to run it. And so you guys know it works. I'm going to open the serial monitor. LED is successfully turned off, on, off, off. This may be a little buggy depending on your computer, but for the most part, we know it's turning on. And so that's how you made your LED turn on. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, in my opinion, this is going a little bit too fast. So we can easily change it by making it 1.5 seconds by doing 1500. And I'll add a 1 here. Let's upload it again. And now we see LED is successfully turned on, LED is successfully turned off, on, off, just so you can see it going in like a more slower kind of thing. If you are having any troubles, you can just post in the comment section. I'm open to any suggestions or anything like that. Also, I also want you to please subscribe and hit that like button. It would really mean a lot to me because I'm still a small channel. Thank you, and bye.